Hi, this is Whitney from Purl Soho, and I'm working on the Pirouette Shawl, and I'm going to show you how to pick up and knit stitches when you are beginning with a live stitch. So here I have triangle number 1. I've cut the tail to about 6 inches, and I have 1 stitch remaining. So the first thing to do is pass this stitch from the right needle to the left needle so that we can knit it. I'm going to knit it with the new color. So I insert my needle here, grab the new color, and knit this stitch, leaving a 6-inch tail of the new color. So just like that. Now we're ready to pick up along this left-hand edge. So we're going to begin right next to that stitch, dip our needle into the edge, take your working yarn, wrap it around your needle just like a normal knit stitch, and pull it through. We're going to do that again, dip our needle into the edge stitch, and now instead of just regularly knitting, we're going to start weaving in our ends as we go. This is so you don't have a ton of tails at the end to weave in, and it's super simple. You just pass the tails over the working yarn like that and knit your next stitch as usual. So you do that every other stitch. So here we're just going to do a regular pick up and knit. Then we're going to pass the tails over the working yarn and knit. And you just keep going along the edge like that. You only have to do this weaving in for about an inch or two, not along the whole edge. I'll show you one more time here. So I've inserted my needle, take the tails, pass them over the working yarn, and knit and pull the stitch through. You can see on the back of the work that the tails are being carried along by the working yarn trapping them as you pick up and knit. Super simple, and it saves you a lot of effort and time at the end. And so you just continue like that along this whole edge. You're going to pick up 30 stitches along here all the way to this corner, and in total you'll have 31, including the first stitch you knit. So that's how you pick up and knit stitches, starting with a live stitch for the Pirouette Shawl.